The new Gemini app is not just a complete revamp with impressive animations and haptic feedback, but it also comes with the latest AI features and models we've seen in Google's I/O. So in today's video, we'll deep dive into it to see what's new. Starting with the design, if I'm gonna describe it in 3 words, they will be clean, minimal, and elegant. I love the white space, the gradient color, the outlined icons, and rounded containers. They work really well together and look aesthetically pleasing. Plus, the animations are super cool. Look at how playful and elegant it looks when I give it a command. It's the first time to see Google nailing this area that well. I would say that this is the best app design Google ever made, and if that's the new design language we will see in other apps, I will be really impressed. So that was a quick look at the new design, and you will see even more tweaks as I'm explaining the new functional changes. I would like to start with the model picker, which is now located at the top left corner instead of showing in the text box like before. And here we have 3 different options: 3.1 flashlight, 3.5 flash, which is a brand new model and faster than the previous version, and finally we have the 3.1 Pro. On top of this, now you have the ability to adjust the thinking level separately regardless which model you choose. So you can choose between standard or extended in all 3, which means the thinking level is no longer bound to a specific model like before. The temporary chat page also got a fresh new look with a brand new greeting says "Welcome stranger" instead of temporary chat with a simplified description, and the profile menu that we used to have at the top right corner is now located under the side menu at the bottom of the screen. Talking about the side menu, we have multiple tweaks like the bigger font, outlined icons, rounded containers, and more. The search bar at the top got replaced with the search chats menu item. Then we have a quick shortcut for the videos creation page, and the My Stuff got renamed to Library, and here is how it looks now with the documents and media classified under 2 different categories. The Gems section that used to show the most recent options got replaced with a menu item as well, plus we lost the ability to pin any of the gems to the side menu like before. In contrast, the notebooks got a complete redesign. The new notebook button is now on top, plus we still have the ability to pin, rename, or delete directly from here. And finally, the chats section is now called Recents. Moving to the app settings, here you will find a brand new option called Usage Limits. This feature will show you your real-time, daily, and weekly usage limits based on your subscription. In my case, I have the Pro subscription. I used only 6% of my allowance today. That resets at 3:34 p.m., while my weekly limit resets on May 28th at 8:34 a.m. Plus, you have a quick shortcut to upgrade your plan if needed. The second new change under the profile menu is the avatar option that you can also access from the tools menu over here. This feature will allow you to create an avatar to add to any frame you create, and the description says, "Look and sound like yourself whenever you use your avatar. Your avatar can only be used by you," and this feature is currently in beta, so let's put it into action to see how it works. When you tap on Get Started, it will take you through the terms and conditions that you need to agree on first. Once done, it will take you through a wizard to start recording yourself and create your avatar, but it requires access to your camera and microphone. And here you have the See Tips button that will give you some important tips to keep in mind. You need to hold your phone at eye level, use lighting that isn't too dim or too bright, make sure your eyes, nose, and mouth are visible. Glasses are fine to keep on, but no sunglasses, masks, or hats. Choose a quiet area to record your voice with no other voices in the background. Check that there are no people or images of faces in your background. And lastly, this process must be completed by the account owner. Do not allow minors to record themselves. So I did the whole process behind the camera, and here's a screen recording to show you how it works. I started by giving access to the microphone and camera. Then it gave me a white circle to properly position myself in the frame with some instructions here at the bottom. Then it did ask me to read some numbers aloud. It didn't ask me to read any phrases. They were all numbers. Once done with the numbers part, it did ask me to rotate my face to the left and right. It was failing multiple times until I got it done. Then it gave me this screen saying you can now close this window. Once you close the window, this is what you get. You have the ability to delete the avatar. This is how it looks. And then it says add yourself to any frame you create by typing @me or @your username into your prompt. Then you have the ability to retake or use the avatar immediately. So let me show you a quick example. Let's say you want to create a video of yourself saying something specific. So all you need to do is to put the @ and you will see your avatar as the first option in the context menu. Once you tap on it, you can see it right here and you can remove it using the X if you want. So I already created a script for this video. And I'm saying here, create a video of me sitting in a studio saying hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you all the new features in Gemini app. So without further ado, let's jump in and I'm gonna tap on send and see what's gonna happen. And here you go, after a couple of minutes it created the video. So let's play it and take a look at the quality.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you all the new features in Gemini app. So without further ado, let's jump in.
So let me play the video one more time after download, but pinch to zoom to give you a closer look.
Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you all the new features in Gemini app. So without further ado, let's jump in. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel.
Honestly, I'm really impressed. Even though my mouth movement is not 100% realistic, but anything else is just impressive. Look at my skin tone, my hair, my beard. Everything looks exactly like me. Plus, the voice is very close to my real voice. So if I'm gonna give it an overall rating, it will be between 7 to 8 out of 10. So please let me know what do you think in the comments. Before we continue, let me ask you something. Have you ever accidentally lost important files, photos, videos, or documents? I think most of us have. So let me tell you about an amazing tool called Recover It. It can restore your lost files with 99.5% success rate. A few days ago, my camera's SD card was full, so I deleted some old footage to make room for my next shoot. Later, I realized a few important clips were still on this card, and I actually needed them back. So I connected the card to my PC and ran a quick scan with Recover It. In just a short time, it found a large number of deleted video files, and I was able to preview and recover the clips I needed. In less than a minute, I got back 3 important video files that would have taken me a long time to shoot again. Recover It supports photos, videos, audio files, documents, and many other file types. It also works with SD cards, hard drives, USB drives, and other external devices. Depending on the situation, it can also help with formatted drives, crash-related data loss, and corrupted files. If you want to check it for yourself, I have left the link in the description below. And now let's get back to the video. So that's it with the avatar. Now let's talk about another big change in the Gemini app, which is the Gemini Omni model. Once you get the feature, you will see this pop-up banner in your home screen saying meet our new video model, remix your videos, edit directly in chat, and more. And also when you open the Gemini app and then go to the settings, then updates, you will see a lot more information about this new model. Google calls this model the Nano Banana for videos, and you can blend any combination of text, photos, and video to create high quality video. You can even drop yourself right into the action by creating a custom AI avatar that looks and sounds like you, like what we exactly did in the previous chapter. And it's available globally with an age restriction of 18 years old. When you create a video in the new Gemini app, it uses Gemini Omni model by default, either when you access it from the tools menu or from the side menu as I showed you earlier. Then you have the ability to start attaching photos and videos at the same time. Plus you have the ability to change the aspect ratio. You can make it landscape or portrait. So now let me show you a quick example. In this example, I attached a photo of myself and a video I recorded in one of the desert safaris, and I will ask Gemini to create a POV style video as if someone is recording me riding a horse from a 4x4 door window. So let's tap on send and see what's gonna happen. Now the video is ready and downloaded to the device to show you how it looks in full screen view. It created a 10 seconds long video, and here is how it looks. To me, everything looks very realistic, like the camera movement, the horse, and myself. Even my reaction looking at the camera and smiling makes it even more convincing. The only problem I spotted is the handle on the left suddenly became bigger at the beginning of the video. So let's take a look at this one more time. As you see, the size expanded suddenly, so you can crop this part and overall get something very convincing. So this is how Gemini Omni works, and the last change I got my hands on is the new Gemini Live seamless experience. Now when you tap on the Gemini Live button, it no longer takes you to a separate page to start talking, but everything works within the conversation, so you can seamlessly switch between talking and chatting. You can also see a brand new design for the captions, with a brand new icon for the captions button. Here you have the waveform, the ability to share, use the camera, mute, and cancel. So let me show you how you can switch between talking and chatting within the same conversation. What's the weather?
It's quite warm and sunny out there in Ijma.
So as you see, once I get the response and cancel Gemini Live, I can get back to chatting without the need to leave the page, which is a nice touch. By this, I covered all the new features available globally right now, but there are even more features that are currently restricted to the US only, like the new Gemini Spark AI agent. In a nutshell, Gemini Spark is an agentic AI that will complete complex tasks on your behalf while you do other things. But keep in mind it's currently in beta and it will roll out to AI Ultra subscribers in the US next week. Additionally, the AI inbox in Gmail is currently available to AI Ultra subscribers and now rolling out to AI Plus and the Pro subscribers. This feature intelligently shares your most critical to-dos, provides personalized draft replies, marks to-dos as done, and surfaces links to relevant docs, sheets, and slides to help you manage your inbox faster. Last but not least, Daily Brief is another US exclusive feature available to the AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers. This feature will show you important updates from your Gmail, calendar, and Gemini chats into one intelligent, easy-to-read view. Before wrapping up the video, if you want some great-looking wallpapers for your phone, go ahead and check the Wallpapers by In-Depth Tech Reviews app. It has hundreds of exclusive wallpapers that will make your smartphone look stunning. Plus, you have the ability to download any of these wallpapers locally on the device, so you can apply the wallpaper effects of your operating system on any of them. Plus, you have the ability to edit the wallpapers as well before downloading. If you want to give it a try, you will find Google Play Store download link in the description. And now let's get back to the video. So that's it, my friends. This is the new Gemini app and all the great features that come with it. There are a lot of new AI models and features that makes it really hard to digest at once. But what stood out to me the most is the new Gemini Omni model and the avatar feature. They did really well in generating videos. So please let me know what you think in the comments. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.